away. When the sun comes up tomorrow, you can find me doing the same. 'Cause I just can't forget the way we turned out this bed. And now the only thing that sleeps here is a ghost of you instead.